Halo, perkenalkan nama saya Diki Wahidi Tarigan. Saya dari Prodi Robotika semester 4. Di sini saya akan membacakan materi tentang cloud robotic dengan tema besar Current Status and Open Issues. Di sini diteliti dan dikembangkan dan ditulis oleh Jafuan, Seng Longtang, Hehuayan, Dili, Siongwang, dan Athanasios. Oke, kita mulai saja langsung ke introduction-nya. With the development of the cloud computing, big data, and the other emerging technologies, the integration of the cloud technology and the multi-robot system allow for the design of multi-robot system with the high performance and the high complexity. In the 2009, the Europe Union project RoboEarth, led by the Holland's Eindhoven University, and the result in the development of the World Wide Web equivalent for the robot. Robot Earth can be regarded as a web-based large database, the implementation of which allow robots to share information, learn from each other, and finally update the database to achieve or the virtuous closed loop. At the 2010 Humanoids Conference, James G. Kavner proposed the concept of the cloud robotics and elaborate the potential advantage of the robot cloud for the first time. The concept of the cloud robotics soon caused extensive discussion and research, with the researchers in Singapore presenting the construction of the Da Vinci framework. Continue this one, a system architecture of the cloud robotic. Networked robotic can be seen as transition state between pre-programmed robotic to cloud-enabled robots. As previously mentioned, cloud robotic aim at transferring the high complexity of the computing process to the cloud platform through communication technology. This greatly reduces the compositional load the individual robots. Figure 1 describes the main architecture of the robot clouds and clouds. Another important aspect of the cloud security, especially the stock of important data in the cloud, the increase the requirements of the various aspects of the system. Finally, to ensure real-time performance, choosing the service equality quarantine method, the corresponding effect analysis is the challenging in this paper. There are their main contribution as follows. The major enabling technologies as cloud robotics are analysis including big data, cloud computing, open source resource, cooperative robot learning, and the network connectivity. The most typical applications are introduced like SLAM, grasping, and navigator. The key problem, the challenges as of current cloud robotic system are state, resource allocation, and scheduling data interaction between in the robot and the cloud platform, cloud security, and service quality core anti method and effect analysis. Continue this one. How to implementation of the cloud robotic in industrial a environment. The nodes, computing and the store capability and deficiency is networked robotic system may lead to large delays, while in the cloud robotic system the nodes can collaborate with spare nodes by transferring computing or the store tasks. Nodes which are not directly connected to the cloud resource and connect to the cloud through other nodes that have already established link to the cloud. The main feature in the cloud robotic architecture are as follows. Number one, in the cloud infrastructure, where computing tasks are dynamic and the resources are elastic and available of demand. The cloud robotic brain in the cloud. The result, the processing can be obtained through network technologies while tasks are processed individually. Computing work can be delegated to big cloud, which leads to similar robot load and greatly extended battery life. And continue, and then major driving force behind eh, behind the development of the cloud robotic. In this section, we mainly discuss for the major driving force: cloud computing, big data, open source robot, cooperative learning, and network. Uh, Number one, cloud computing for robotic. In the robotic field, due to the high computing performance of the cloud-based system, when the computing task is uploaded to the cloud, the computational load of computing equipment is to reduce to a great extent. For the example, grasping based to the cloud computing for known object object shape has achieved great robustness. When Q at Arius Peak Load, a commercial cloud computing platform, and the combination big data with the grasping technologies allowed for a 19% reduction in sampling size. B. Big data for robotics. Big data can be provide automation system with the access to massive resource in the cloud infrastructure, which might be a key solution to cope with the challenge to limited on-board resource. One of the advantages of the big data that it provides an index of feature map and object data from a global database for the terminal. C. Open source for robotics. With the development of the cloud technology, the spirit of the open source is infiltrating into the cloud robotic file. Among them, the most uh, representative is ROS and RoboEarth. The computation graph is a kind of the point-to-point network from the ROS data processing. When the program runs, all the process their data will be dissected through the point-to-point network. This level mainly includes several important concepts: nodes, message, subject, service. A node in this case is a process that performs a task. The use of the nodes makes the operation base of the rows more vivid. When many nodes are running at the same time, it is easy to draw the point-to-point communication. Communication involved is as great. The nodes communication with each other by sending message rows has numerous nodes, message surface tools, and library files that require the effective structure to manage the code. On the level of the ROS file system, there are some important concepts. The package, the stack, and the repository ROS software is organized in package. Package contain nodes, dependency, libraries, configuration files, third-party software, dan yang lainnya. The objective of the package is to provide a structure that is easy to the use in order to facilitate the reuse of the software. The corresponding stack is a collection of packages which provides as complete set of features. This one architecture of the RoboEarth. In general, RoboEarth is divided into the client, the cloud engine, and the database layers. The computing tasks will be transferred to the cloud through of the network using unified data format, which means that upload information from any robot has the same structure unvarying data format. Computing tasks will be delegated delegates, del- delegates to the engine cloud for the cloud computing. The engine cloud may need to interact with the upper database level and will finally return to the result to the underlying robot. Robot cooperative learning. Dawn of cloud technologies completely over a new set of solutions. Researchers scope in algorithm might take advantage of the cloud technologies to accelerate information sharing for robot and automation by facilitating the exchange of data and associate control policy, trajectories, current condition, and other. For the grasping accuracy and stability can be greatly or augmented by learning from previous grasp operation on an object. E. Network connectivity. Traditional intercommunication within robotics is a typical machine-to-machine communication architecture. Collaborative learning requires that the global task priority is greater than the priority on the node task. And this applies to dynamic packet interaction and control as well. These contract constraints result the higher requirement and the control algorithm. In the short, noting to the inter-machine communication usually use proactive and the hawk routing protocol and the unfamiliar environments. Network robot might choose a proactive routing protocol to the terminal update. Proactive routing protocol include periodic packet switching and the routing table updates, which makes the consumption of computing resource and memory resources particularly large. Continue this one classic protocol example for mobile robot network. The short node sends a RRA key to the surrounding nodes. The intermediate nodes update to the routing tables and the source node, and the maintain reverse routing path to the source node, and then forward the RRA key. An intermediate node are the destination node which is aware of a valid path to the destination node generates a RRAP. With the establishment of the reverse node, the RRAP will finally find its way back to the source node. Now the source node is able to send packets of data to the destination node. This one a typical application of the cloud robotic. SLAM is fundamental to SLAM. SLAM is fundamental topic science 1919 when Darren White first clearly defined SLAM as exploring unknown environment problems. Extended Kalman filter. The most famous SLAM method has been applied to common uses, although applicable. Ekiva cannot deal with the real-time recursion, the apparent the particle filter, over another insight in SLAM. Since PV don't have the directly solve probability density function and the significant advanced status filtering and parameter estimation, PV become another effective method for SLAM. Although the SLAM-based algorithm are become more and more accurate, the superiority the current generation of algorithm for the large-scale maps cannot make up to the limited computational and the stroke resource on board. Therefore, before the advent of the cloud robotics, the formation of the large-scale maps often took a long time, which was far from meeting the real application need. Grasping. The grasping of unknown object is the great practical significance of robotics in the industrial sector. Grasping problem must be proposed to Ferrari and the Kenny and Mirtich and Kenny to cope with the geometric analysis and polyhedra object while the initial solution cannot deal with the polyhedra object. In 2003, Miller et al. First introduced object model and then Sena et al. Proposed object feature into grasping. However, these proposition, propositions do not con- concentrate on knowledge learning, which has apparent drawback when dealing with the totally unknown object. With the rapid development of the correction discipline, neural network has introduced the grasping by Lu et al. And LL was proposed by Pierre Lobsang et al. Grasping with learning significantly improved its robustness and accuracy. With the introduction of relative sensing device, grasping has made progress to some extent, but it still cannot meet the requirement for adequate response speed and precision. Under the support of big data, cloud computing capabilities, and the store capacity, a mechanical hand can send feature data obtained through a small number of sensors to the cloud using specific data format. After feature analysis, the model machine data with operating characteristics will be downloaded to the manipulator to set the mechanical hand grab the project. It is worth mentioning that after the complete completion of the graphs, the relevant data can be stored in the cloud for sharing. See navigation. The global navigation problem copes with the large scale in which the robot does not know the state of the destination from initial position. Briefly, many approaches have been proposed to deal with navigation with map is given. Technologies provide the cloud-based navigation system for the future and are a very promising solution that avoid these two problems. Cloud computing is not only able to provide sufficient space to deal with large amount of data for mapping, but also feature juga enough computing capacity to allow map searching and establishment. Through cloud computing, available commercial map or Google Map can also be exploited to provide flexible, reliable, and autonomous navigation. Key in issue challenges. The section focuses key in issue and challenges in cloud robotics. The collaborative learning mentioned before is actually only one in the aspect computing resource allocation and scheduling. According to the real-time requirement different scenario, establishing balance between real-time demands and processing performance is a core issue of the resource allocation and scheduling. Cloud struct means the remote struct of data, whether it's the business, privacy, scientific research. The importance of data also imposes further requirement of the cloud security. Robotic cloud platform need to interact using this data, which means the data is the analyst must upload it in a certain format. In addition, process information also need to return from the cloud platform and the robot certain functionally the introduction of service quality assurance system and effect analysis in order to maintain to the network flow for a given bandwidth and change real-time performance and computational efficiency. Number A have other resource allocation and scheduling. Uploading computational tasks with the high complexity in the cloud on the most notable characteristic in the cloud robotic. It's worth noting that as with inter-machine communication, the amount computation on the cloud makes the emergency of the delay more likely. Algorithm the technique or needed to counter change in network delay in the real-time ultra wireless technology has made significant process. Once connection problem between the robot and cloud server approach serious delay are almost inevitable. Therefore, when designing the algorithm, you need to design to load the troubleshooting algorithm with any time characteristic, considering the large size of data stream in SLAM navigation, the other application, the most critical aspect in the communication trade-off, as they mentioned above, the major time consumption should be less than onboard time consumption. This one data interaction between robot and cloud platform. This one update surrounding information, start the surrounding information. If can be upload, if upload can be accept, we continue to format conversion. If not accept upload, we back to update surrounding information. And then if complete and download to robotic and the end. The premier project in the robotic area provides access for the individual robot to search in internet for concept while compatible with a million of robotic applications. The corresponding solution and robot Earth have paved the way to similar cloud platform to deal with demand from action model. Robot Earth provides an action ontology which describes different kinds of the action in terms of taxonomic structure and the further analysis is the classes in the cinematic properties. Additionally, there are similar ontologies for the class object information model inspired by Robot Earth. Emerging cloud platform may design target class and interface the compatibility and the robustness to deal with different scenarios. For naturally, the technology of software-defined networks. Swan cloud security, the cloud security cloud technology has been greatly expanded the complexity of the multi-robot operation. At the same time, it also introduced the technical challenge. The privacy and security issues broke the cloud technology. These hidden dangers also affect and generate the computing device and the sensor used the cloud robotic. Commercial science of technology solution have the suffered from the incidents, especially during the upload the photo and the video to the cloud. D. Surface quality quarantine method and effect analysis. In order to meet needs to use with different surface quality demands, the network is expected to provide different level of quality according to the requirement of user. Real-time requirement require the high priority data processing, while the tasks with the less than real-time requirement of the grade lower priority. Using the current correspondingly differentiate surface models similar into the key US higher bandwidth priority and the given task with the higher time requirement according to the characteristic of the cloud robotic system. As in Islam, relocating further nodes with the more bandwidth can balance global real-time performance. Additionally, for the evaluation network, change changes apa nih? Changes Transmission, data error, and the loss, the data packet. The establishment, the universal standard and specific. Reliability analysis approves are the great significance for the evaluation of the algorithm and the exchange of the science research. Conclusion. This paper describes the origin, the development of the closed robotic from the allocation of the resource and the communication mode and perspective and the analysis cloud robotic communication architecture. For major elements for the robot cloud are summary the key technologies to promote development and analysis. Finally, some aspects of the cloud robotic system in different practical applications are discussed. Cloud robotic through the sharing computing resource with the cloud platform, past multi-robot system and collaborate learning and the new heights. By delegation, high complexity, computational load to the cloud platform, the robot no longer require high performing and outboard equipment. The greatly reduce the cost the application of the multi-robot system as Amora et al. Propose smart city with the closed robotic server with the development cloud computing and data other field and robotic cloud slam grasping navigation and other application will achieve better performance. Thank you. Sorry if I have the miscommunication, mistalking. Morning everyone.